Hello, tutor and partners. My name is Freddy Andrés Sierra Borrero. Below, I developed the task 9. First point. Hello, Camilo. I want to invite you to my birthday on Saturday in my house. Hi, Freddy. I'm so sorry. On Saturday, I'll go with my mother to fish in the river. Oh, it's okay, Camilo. Then I see you later. Second point, my mother is beautiful. She is not so tall. She is brunette. Her hair is brown with some gray. Her eyes light brown. She is very kind to everyone. She always says things calmly and is dedicated to work. She likes that everything she does looks good. Third point. My house is built lengthwise, occupies half the plot, is painted with yellow, and the ceiling is white. It has 5 bedrooms, each with a bathroom and shower. The front room is the only one that has a small living room. That's where we have the fridge, the stove, and the dining room. Today I was wearing blue jean pants with a green canvas belt, black leather boots, a red t-shirt with a round neckline. 5 point. On my next birthday, I want to buy some sunglasses for work, also some tennis shoes that I like a lot and that are sold in Brazil. It is very likely that we will buy a large cake to share with the family. Also, I want to buy a good book, if possible, by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. 6 point. My favorite television program is Happy Saturdays because I can see very good comedians, and best of all, they are Colombian and we can love a good time with my family. I like when couple called the deaf old men come out. They are very funny when they do their dialogue. They 7 point. Last Saturday in the morning I went out with my wife to buy meat for the lunch. Then I went out with the motorcycle to work transporting people until noon. After lunch, I went out to work for a while, even at night. Around 8 o'clock at night, I put away the motorcycle and started doing university work. 8 point. First of all, I think I faint for a while if it's the baloto. After I wake up and receive the money, I will share with my family going for a walk to a beach by the sea, and later I will invest in properties such as house, apartments, land, and the occasional business to continue working. 9th point. When I was a child, I loved to play with other children, hide and seek. to imagine that we were traveling by boat in the river. I liked to watch television, cartoons, and movies, listen to music, especially rancheras, and eat fish together with my family. 10 point. Next Christmas, if God allows it, we will be reunited as a family, possibly at my mother's house, as every year we will prepare food. It may be that we dance a little, have a few beers, and talk about everything. Finally, in this course, I learned to introduce myself, to talk about myself, about special family celebrations, clothing, talk about health and personal care in the past tense, to make comparisons of people and objects, as well as to use tools, digital, for the development of activities. Thanks, tutor and partners. Bye.